Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's flood bulletin. The accumulated rainfall over the past 6 days, as recorded by the IMD network, is displayed on the screen. Based on the daily rainfall data received through CWC and IMD observation networks, the major rainfall regions for 2 days are Kerala, coastal Karnataka, southmost part of Maharashtra, Bihar and Jharkhand, North Chhattisgarh, and southern tip of Assam. The highest rainfall of 180 mm has been recorded in Hardurg, Kasargode district of Kerala. As per the prevailing hydrometeorological conditions, none of the monitoring sites in the KWC network are currently under severe or extreme flood situation. Now let's discuss today's CWC advisory. For state Kerala, IMD has forecast extremely heavy to very heavy rains in northern and central part of Kerala for next 2 to 3 days. Hence keep alert for water level rise in rivers such as Bharatpuja, Bhavani, Periyar, Gayatri, Karbannur, Manimala, Menchali, Chalkudi, Pamba and Achamkoli in district of Balaghat, Thrissur, Ernakulam, Kottayam, Alpuja, Tridukki, Pathanimatita from 7 June to 9 June. In North Kerala, keep alert for water level rise in river Kabini, Chelliyar, Sriya, Upala, Kutiyadi, Kuppam, Valapatnam in district Kasargode, Kannur, Vayand, Kozhikode, Mallapuram from 7 June to 9 June. If we talk about Karnataka, IMD have predicted very heavy to extremely heavy rain in districts such as Uttar Kannada, Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, Shimoga and Chikmagalur for next 2 to 3 days. Alert for water level rise may be kept in river Agnashini, Swarna, Netravati, Gurupura, Sambhavi, Sitha, Kumardhara, Saravati, Kumavati, Varda and other small west flowing rivers in above mentioned district from 7 June to 9 June. Alert for water level rise may be kept in tributaries of Kaveri river such as Kabini, Lakshman Tirtha, Harangi, Himavati, Tunga, Bhadra and other small tributaries in districts such as Kodugu, Mysuru, Hassan and Chikmagalur for 7 June to 9 June. State authorities are requested to keep close monitoring in above said river, as above normal flood situation is expected in above mentioned river. Close monitoring is also required in the mainstream and tributaries of Malaprabha, Ghatprabha, Tungabhadra and Markandeya river in Belagavi, Gadag, Devagiri, Haveri, Dharwad district from 7 June to 9 June. Let's talk about West Bengal. Due to very heavy rain in past days and it is forecasted to continue in sub-Himalayan West Bengal, alert may be kept for water level rise and above normal to severe flood situation in Tista, Tosha, Raidak, Sankosh and its tributary in Alipurduar, Cooch Behar, Jalpaiguri district for next 2 to 3 days from 7 June to 9th June. In Assam, due to very heavy rains in upper Brahmaputra reaches in Arunachal Pradesh, water level rise is expected in main stem of Brahmaputra in district Sonitpur, Bishwantpur, Golaghat, Nagaon, Lakhimpur and neighborhood. For the latest information on water levels and flood forecast, please visit the website displaying on the screen. Stay informed, stay safe, and we will meet you again in the next bulletin. Thank you.